Jamaica is the biggest and most populated country in the English-speaking Caribbean. We compete in various sporting disciplines against our Caribbean neighbors. One of these sports is cricket. They call it regional cricket. Under the umbrella of regional cricket is 50 overs cricket. The Jamaican franchise, the Jamaica Scorpions, just completed a regional 50 over season where they played 7 games, losing 6, and the one where them to lose, they were about to lose, and rain saved them. So the biggest and boastiest country in the region finished dead last in the standings. Shame and disgrace. A country with a rich and proud cricket tradition. We are double the population of the rest of the region combined. We're not supposed to be coming dead last in anything, even jacks or dandy shandy, much less cricket. If this regional embarrassment took place in football or athletics or netball or even the same jacks and dandy shandy, heads would roll. Then what happened to the heads at the top of Jamaica's cricket? What to them head there? Them can't roll, them can't roll, them head they can't roll.